Hello, welcome to Handwriting section. In this playlist, I will teach basic strokes, radicals, stroke orders, and frame structures of Chinese characters. There are two other playlists available for studying in my channel. One is pronunciation and the other is daily conversations. They both are displayed at the end screen for your reference. Okay, let's start the first lesson of handwriting. Basic strokes. There will be several separate videos to introduce many different basic strokes. Today, I will introduce the first 5 very basic ones. 点, 横, 竖, 撇, 捺. If you have been in my pronunciation section, you will be very familiar with these 5. I have actually introduced them according to different characters already. If you want to learn Chinese character, you better have a form like this. We call it 田字格. It is a combination of a square shape form together with these lines to practice pinyin on the top and Chinese character in the bottom. You can find the way to make this 田字格 in my channel. I prepared 2 videos, one in English, one in Chinese. You can find in the same playlist of this handwriting video too. Also, if you are watching this video from TV or computer, you will see from the top right-hand corner there is a place you can click in and directly go to the link of the video for making this 田字格. Let's start with the first stroke, 点. I put the pronunciation of these strokes here. 点. This is 点, a dot. Here you see this is the number 6. 六. It has 2 dots. 2点. Here. You can see they are not the same size. It's totally depending on the requirement of the characters. Can be bigger or smaller. For example, here in this character there are 3 dots. You see they are not the same size. Different size at different position to make the character look more beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and see how we are going to write it on a paper. See, like this. It looks different with this one because they are different handwriting and different people have different way to write. Like we have cursive in English handwriting and the normal one. The next one is 横. It's a horizontal stretch. 横. Here in the number 六, we have 1 横. You can also find 横 in here. Here, 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 and here. And also here we found a 点, right? Here there's a little one. It's 点 too. The way it's written on the paper is like this. Start from the left to the right. If you're practicing in the 田字格, it's almost in the middle, the center of the whole shape. Next one is 竖. It's a vertical stretch. Like in this number 10, we pronounce as 10. This blue one is 竖. So we first write the horizontal one, 横. Then the second stroke is 竖. We can see here, both of them are 竖. They have 2 dots, 2点 in here, 2横 in here. Let's see how it's written on the paper. From the top to the bottom. Okay. Next one is Pierre. It's written like this. Here is a character 人 means person and human. We have learned this in the pronunciation videos. Pierre. So in this character you can see Pierre. Pierre. Again, the shape and size of them are different depending on how you're going to arrange your characters. Here we see there's a very small one. It's Pierre. So we start from the top to the bottom. This is Pierre. Next one is Na, written like this. It's the second stroke of 人. You see here we have a Na, right? We can find several 横 in here. One Pierre in here. One Na here. We have a dot, 点 here. It is written like this. Okay. Next one, I'm going to show you how these 5 different parts organize a character. We start from number 6. 6 dot 点 横 撇 a big 点. Next one is 10. 10 first horizontal stretch, then vertical 竖 横 竖 人 撇 na. Okay, this is all we have for today. I wish you remember these 5 basic strokes. They are so important. Almost each of the character has 1 or 2 or few of them. In the end screen, you will see 3 windows. The left to the top one is the playlist of the pronunciation. Whenever you feel difficult to pronounce something, you can go back and look for it. The left bottom one is a playlist of the conversation. Start from this week, you will find 1 video in there and 1 video in here. Depending on your interest, you could go for both or one of them. On the right hand side, the bottom window is the logo of my channel for your subscription. You're really welcome for subscribe and introduce this channel to your friend who is interested in Chinese language. Thank you. See you next time.